Shoot me, shoot me, shoot bullets through me. I love you. Get on the back tears of my life. Anyways, let me do the other verse. Let's not do that at all. I'll sing it later. Varge tar barrel blanche. I got yelled at for hitting the bottles, you guys. Nick yelled at me because I was using the bottles like a drum, and he's like, "Could you please not do that?"
Can we not do that?
That doesn't. I can tell just from holding it that that's not going to make it do its thing. When a girl walks in with a little bitty waist and a big thing in your face, you get sprung. Okay, you want me to cook it? I don't want to cook it. This is fascinating. Don't say no to my burrito. Don't say no to my burrito. You can put it in a pan. Yes, you can. You can eat it cold. You won't. Oh, wait. You can eat. Sorry. I have to start it again, right? That's too bad.
Can we not do that?
Okay.
Thanks.